guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all how to make this super cute sweater that I have on. I got the material from Joann's. It is 99% polyester, 1% spandex, but it is super soft, super cozy, and I love the material. And so as you can see here, the neckline, I actually had to pin it because I didn't really like the way I had done the neckline, and you guys will see within the video what I'm talking about. But I am going to do a little bit of reconstruction with this sweater, but I still want to show you guys how I made it. So yeah, let me give you guys a little bit of a 360 and then we'll get right into the tutorial. So I have my fabric all laid out here. I have so much fabric. I got like 3 yards and I have a whole bunch here that's gonna be left over. So yeah, let's get to working on the sweater. Okay, so what I'm gonna be doing is I'm actually gonna be using a sweatshirt that I have here. So what I'm gonna do with this sweatshirt is, of course, I'm gonna use it as a pattern, but I'm gonna take one of the sleeves and I am going to tuck it inside of the shirt. I'm actually probably going to tuck both sleeves in. That way I can just get this middle piece here to cut out on my fabric first. Okay, so this is what the sweatshirt is looking like right now. So as you can see, I tucked in both sleeves on both sides of the shirt. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna cut around the shirt just like this. My fabric is folded in half, like so. And yeah. Okay, so here's how I cut it, and then I did cut the front layer a little bit lower, and then I end up cutting the back a little low as well, but not as low as this right here, because this is going to be the front of the sweater. I have not sewn anything together yet, but what I am going to do is I'm going to put right sides together, and we are going to sew these sides together and like the shoulders here together. Now I'm going to take it to my serger, and I'm going to serge both sides here. And then I am going to serge these shoulders. Of course, if you don't have a serger, you can use a sewing machine. For this part, you can use a straight stitch or a zigzag stitch. So this is what it looks like so far. I just have to add the sleeves, hem the bottom, and figure out the bottom because I don't know if I want it this flowy. And I need to do the neckline. So now for the sleeves, I did cut out another piece of fabric here, and then I do have the sweater in half, and it's kind of like close to the edge of the fabric here. And then I did take the sweatshirt and place the sleeve right here on top as well, so that I can see exactly how wide I need to make the sleeve, because again, this is going to be an oversized sweater. So I'm going to place it along the cut of the sleeve right here, and I'm going to cut it down. I have this tucked in because I want the sleeve to be a little bit shorter, like stop like right at my wrist kinda. So we'll see how that works out. are the sleeves. So I have one right side out, and then I have this one inside out. So now it's time to attach my sleeve to the sweater. So in order for me to do that, I am going to put right sides together, of course. So I'm going to keep the sweater inside out, and I'm going to turn both of these right side out, and I'm going to place them on the inside of the sweater and pin around the sleeve hole and serge it around that way. Okay, so I have the sleeves pinned to the sweater. So what I'm gonna do now is just take it to my serger, and I am going to serge around, and then I am going to flip it right side out so y'all can see what it looks like. And then the only thing I would have to do now is attach the neckband and hem the sleeve holes and the bottom of the sweater. So for the neck hole, I did cut out a long piece of fabric that's about 3 inches wide, folded together in half. And then I just measured it enough to where it fit around the neck hole. And I have my clips here pinned in place. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it to my serger and just sew around the neck hole and see how that comes out. It's a little thick, so hopefully it can, you know, glide through my serger. So here is what the sweater is looking like so far. I'm not really sure if I like the neckline. I also went through some difficulties with the neckline as well, as far as the material and my serger, but it is all trial and error and just learning along the way. I am going to hem the sleeves and hem the bottom of the sweater. Now, you don't have to do this, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to put elastic on the sleeves and the bottom of the sweater just so that I can kind of bunch it up like this. Now, if you want to, you can just leave it be, but I'm going to put some elastic and see how that looks. So I'll be back with the results. So here are the results of my sweater. It came out really good. Like I said, there were some difficulties in making this sweater, but it came out pretty decent. I think so. Like I said, I am going to do some reconstruction just to make it a little bit better. And yeah, so if you enjoyed the video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Hopefully this video was also helpful as well. There's different ways you can make sweaters with things that you already own outside of like a sweatshirt. You can use a t-shirt or cardigan that you already have. Just so many items that you can clone. So yeah, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. There are tons of more sewing tutorials and just other videos of mine to come. Bye.